Hello guys, today we will learn about 3 lesser known functions or features about Google Sheet. This video is for everyone, whether you are a beginner who has just started using Sheets or an intermediate user or an advanced user of Google Sheet. In this video, there is something for everyone, irrespective of your experience level in Google Sheet. We will keep this video in a quiz format. There would be 3 questions popping on the screen. You need to pause the video and answer them in the comment section. Subsequently, I will be discussing all 3 questions in detail and we will learn a few more functions and formula during the course of video progression. What is the total number of functions in Google Sheet? Options are 0 to 200, 201 to 400, 400 to 600 or 600 plus. The correct answer is option C, 400 to 600. So actual number of total function as on date is 513 in Google Sheets. I have imported all the functions available in Google Sheet over here, which you can see: date function, dated if, date value, etc. and etc. And these functions are classified according to their category or their type. So firstly, I am running a count over these functions. So 513 function. Also, I am running a unique function over type. So these are the types of function available in Google Sheets, like date related functions, engineering related function, filter related function, financial function, Google function, logical function, etc. I am just quickly scrolling it down for your reference. So engineering function are like bind to des, bind to hex. So these functions are used to convert binary number to decimal number. So these are engineering functions. Then financial functions, all financial related information. These are coupon days, calculations, and other like NPV, NPR calculation, etc. So then we have info function, where is number, is ref, is text, etc. Then logical function, and if error, etc. Logical function, maths function, operator function, a statistical function. So then text function. This is a quick explanation of the first question. Second question is, what is the maximum number of cells that Google Sheets allow in a spreadsheet? Options are 5 million, 10 million, 1 billion, 18 billion. The correct answer is option B, 10 million. So let's dig it down deeper. So there is a limitation on total number of cells, which is 10 million as on date. There is a limitation on total number of columns which an Google Sheet can accommodate, which is 18,278. Let me explain you how this has come. You have column in the form A to Z, and then AA, AB, AC, etc. starts, and then it will start from BA, BB, BC, and this will go to BZ, and then CA will start. So let's understand it, how it is limited. So maximum number of columns you can have in a Google spreadsheet is starting from column A till column Z, triple Z. So this is the limitations. Column A to column Z, these are 26 columns. Then column AA to column ZZ, these are 26 into 26, 676 columns. And then we will have triple A to triple Z. And this would be 26 into 26 into 26, which is 17,576. And the sum of all this 18,278. So this is the maximum number of columns you can have, right? So here this sheet has up till column triple Z So let me try to add one more column over here. So then it is showing an error. This action would increase the number of columns in the sheet above the limit. So this is the limitations. Now let's understand the limitation of number of cells. As such, Google Sheets does not pose any limitation on number of rows. It can go to any number of rows per se, but total number of cells should not exceed more than 10 million. It means in this spreadsheet, we have already 18,278 columns open. So let's understand maximum number of rows which it can accommodate would be 10 million divided by this. So 547 rows maximum it can accommodate. So here you can see we have already 10 rows in place. So let me add 537 more rows. We have added up till 547 rows. Let me add one more row. So now it is showing the error that this is above the workbook limit of 10 million cells. So this is about our question number 2, which was what is the maximum number of cells that Google Sheet allows in a single sheet. Third question is, which function in Google Sheets can be used to know or extract the formulae inside a cell in a string format? Options are array formula, lambda function, is formula, formula text. The correct answer is option D, formula text. Let me explain this to you. I am generating a 5 by 5 data table with the help of rand array function. So 5 to 5. If you want to know more about how to generate randomized or serialized data, you can check out my previous videos, which is popping at the top right. So here we have written formula in cell number D4, right? Rand array 55. Now I want to extract the formula in the text format. So I will use formula text. And it has returned us the formula written over here in the string format. So this is about question number 3. Now for the people who have not commented on this video yet, as asked in the initial part of the video, that they had to write their answers of the quiz of all the 3 questions. So I'm sure you must have answered it when you were playing the video, but you didn't comment. So please let us know in the comment how many of the quiz questions you got right. If you have got all 3 questions right, then you can please pat your back. That's all for this video. Hope you must have learned certain new facts about Google Sheet from the video. If you have liked our content, please hit like button and share it with your friends and colleagues. It will motivate us to bring more and better content for you. Thank you.